The Clarke CBS300 and CBS350 are a pair of professional, high-quality floor-standing bandsaws, which are ideal for workshop use and feature strong steel bodies with a ground cast-iron table for rigidity and longevity. These bandsaws are designed with a host of professional features normally only available on far more expensive machines, enabling you to work both accurately and efficiently. With throat depths of 305mm and 340mm respectively, they feature balanced cast alloy drive wheels, which provide quiet and smooth blade operation. The table features an adjustable 90-degree stop to ensure accuracy, plus a rack and pinion adjustment to allow it to tilt up to 45 degrees. Both the upper and lower blade guides have effective adjustable roller guide bearings, and the upper guide is easily raised and lowered. Blade tension is adjusted at the top of the machine, with the blade tension indicator clearly visible through a window to aid accuracy, while blade tracking adjustments are controlled on the reverse of the machine. To simplify blade changing, there is a quick tension release lever enabling you to instantly remove the tension while keeping the same tension setting. 5 blade sizes are available for these bandsaws, 6, 10, 12, 16 and 20 mm wide, and are available from your local Clarke stockist. Both of the bandsaw doors have a safety interlock, which will prevent inadvertent operation of the bandsaw with the door open. A push stick is provided, which has its own convenient storage hook on the top frame. The supplied mitre guide can be rotated plus or minus 60 degrees and slides easily in the slots in the work table. It can be positioned either side of the blade. The strong and rigid rip fence can also be used either side of the blade, and it has an extrusion which can be rotated to suit deep or thin workpieces. It is equipped with a magnified scale to allow precision cutting. Other features include a flexible LED work light providing focus on the workpiece, a removable dust tray, a multi-step dust extraction outlet for direct connection to a dust extractor, and a tool holder to keep spanner and hex keys to hand. The Clarke CBS300 and CBS350 can perform rip cutting, cross-cutting, bevel or mitre cutting, and are supplied with a 4 TPI wood cutting blade. They run the blade at 800 meters per minute, with the CBS300 having a 750 watt induction motor and the CBS350 an 1100 watt induction motor. With their high build quality, these excellent machines offer a wide range of adjustments to suit the task at hand. They will enable you to create quality work for many years to come.